Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Button Maker Press is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding tools for crafting personalized buttons, perfect for expressing yourself, promoting your brand, or even raising funds for a cause. This video will dive deep into what makes a button maker press stand out from the crowd, helping you decide if it's the right investment for your creative endeavors or business needs, exploring factors such as ease of use, durability, and the overall quality of the buttons produced. Number 5. Button Maker Machine 58mm, 3rd Gen. It's here. Let's open up this amazing button making machine and see what's inside. You'll find everything you need to get started right away. This kit comes with the machine itself, 100 button parts, a circle cutter, 100 pictures, and a special magic book. Everything you need for hours of creative fun. It's not just for buttons. This machine lets you create all sorts of small gifts, from badges and mirrors to keychains and more. It's lightweight, durable, and super easy to use. Making buttons is simple. First, cut your picture. Then, assemble the parts in the machine and press the handle. It's that easy. The improved swivel mount makes it easier and more accurate to position everything, ensuring perfectly made buttons every time. And don't forget the magic book. It's a blank book that reveals colorful cartoons with each opening. It's great for creative play and learning. What we like? It's lightweight and easy to operate, perfect for exercising children's practical abilities. Its unique design lets you create various small gifts beyond badges. If you are looking for a simple, versatile button maker for kids' crafts, this is the one for you. What people say? This one badge making machine is an absolute game changer. We used it to crank out custom swag for our robotics team, and it turned every pin into a tiny masterpiece. The machine operates like a dream, smooth, efficient, and oddly satisfying to use. When my daughter asked me for a pin maker for Christmas, I was a little skeptical. When she opened it up on Christmas morning, I was surprised and happy to find that it is very heavy duty, the pins are larger than I thought, and the entire thing is easy to use. This was literally delivered within the last hour and the setup was easy and straightforward. I have experience in using a button press and this is no different than other models I've used. The color is also very green, so if you have a certain aesthetic to your craft room, keep that in mind. But this is a great cheap machine. I appreciate the extra goodies like the rotary cutter and paper pack. Number 4. VEVOR 25mm Button Maker. This complete set includes everything you need to make 25mm buttons, including 500 button parts and a circle cutter. It's easy to use and perfect for parties or crafting. You'll also receive a special magic book with panda designs. It has pre-printed images, black and white outlines for coloring, and blank pages for your own creations. It's built to last with a sturdy cast iron body and metal base. The design ensures safe and enjoyable operation. The plastic slide helps with precise positioning, making button making a breeze. Plus, the dies are interchangeable for different sizes. Use it for political campaigns, sporting events, Halloween parties, or as a fun gift for kids. It can even make keychains and bottle openers. The handle is designed for comfort and ease of use. The non-slip rubber grip prevents accidents. What we like? This sturdy and durable button maker comes with 500 button parts, ensuring you have plenty to create with. Its smooth operation and ergonomic handle make badge making comfortable and efficient. If you need a high-volume, reliable button maker for parties or events, this is your best bet. What people say? This button maker is easy to set up and easy to use. My students in my STEM lab love it so much. They are continually making buttons. This product is well built and made for good usage. It's super easy to use and really fun. My wife has greatly enjoyed using this button press after having another brand of cheaper unit. While it has a plastic frame, it's pretty thick and doesn't flex with use. If you have a lot of buttons to do, this unit coupled with one of the heavy-duty picture die cutters would be a worthwhile investment. Number 3. Happizza Button Maker Machine. It comes with 3 different size buttons, 25mm, 32mm, and 58mm, so you can make buttons of various sizes. You can even buy more sizes separately to expand your options. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the machine, 3 button sizes, circle cutters, and 300 button making supplies. You'll also receive a cutting mat and cute stickers. It's made from high-density reinforced plastic, making it sturdy, lightweight, and environmentally friendly. 2 years of development went into creating this superior machine. You'll also get a high-quality leather cutting mat and 6 limited edition stickers, a great bonus. It's incredibly easy to assemble and use. You can make buttons in just 3 steps. Even beginners can master it in minutes thanks to the included instructions. It makes a great gift for friends and family. Plus, you can use it to create personalized gifts or even start your own custom button business. What we like? It offers 3 interchangeable sizes, allowing you to create a variety of button sizes. Made with durable, high-density plastic, it's built to last. If you need a versatile button maker with multiple size options and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say? It's incredibly sturdy. This set comes with enough blanks to make 300 buttons, so more than enough for my party, and now I can make buttons year-round. It comes with the adjustable circle cutter. Number 2. VEVOR 75mm Badge Maker Kit. It's everything you need to get started right away: the machine, molds, cutter, and even supplies for 100 badges. It's built to last with steel and aluminum alloy construction. The solid base and upgraded rail ensure reliable performance. The included manual provides clear instructions. You'll be making badges in no time. It's that simple. The comfortable handle makes badge making easy and efficient. You'll save time and effort. It's a great gift for kids and adults alike. Create custom badges to commemorate any occasion. Make badges for everything from travel souvenirs to personalized gifts. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This button maker creates larger 75mm badges, perfect for making a statement. Made with steel and aluminum alloy, it's built to withstand frequent use. If you're looking for a durable machine to make larger, impressive badges, this is the one for you. What people say? Being all metal, this button machine is heavy, heavier than I was expecting. Which I like. It's very easy to use. Quality of the buttons is great. The entire mechanism, however, is solid metal. The scope of delivery also includes 100 buttons each in 25mm and 58mm in metal. And these 2 variants then again in plastic, and also 100 pieces each. So you can start right away and produce a total of 400 buttons. Because a book with motifs is also available in the box. As well as 2 circle cutters, which can be adjusted in different sizes. Number 1. 300 PCS Button Pin Maker Machine. This amazing machine lets you create custom badges in 3 different sizes: 1 inch, 1.25 inches, and 2.25 inches. It's quick and easy to use, perfect for crafting enthusiasts of all levels. Everything you need to make 300 stunning badges is right here. That includes 100 of each size, plus circle cutters and all the necessary parts. Making a badge takes less than 15 seconds once it's set up. The design is lightweight and easy to operate, saving you time and energy. It's made from high-strength engineering plastic, ensuring durability and precision. The integrated body and dies make for smooth operation. Personalize your badges with photos, slogans, or designs. They're perfect for gifts, party favors, or expressing your unique style. Unlike other products, it comes with easy-to-follow instructions and helpful videos to guide you through the process. Get started making badges today. What we like? This kit includes everything you need to make 300 buttons in 3 different sizes. It's quick and easy to use, making it perfect for large projects or parties. If you need a convenient and efficient way to make a large number of buttons in various sizes, this is the ideal option. What people say? It shipped to me in 5 business days. It came exactly as expected, and the instructions were very clear and easy to follow. Out of the now 100 buttons I have made of varying sizes, including specialty buttons with bottle openers on back, I have had only 2 mistakes. It is made of plastic primarily, but it's very strong, and the pieces that press the buttons are metal, so it does have some metal fixings. Pretty simple to put together and doesn't take too much strength to use. The pamphlet it came with was decently informative and everything was pretty self-explained after reading it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.